Hey everybody, this is Jake from BlackBerry Theme Park, and I am going to do a quick tutorial to show you how to manually compile a BlackBerry theme. There's a lot of reasons you would want to do that, but the process is fairly simple, so I figured I'd just do a quick video and show you how to do it. So I've got a theme here. I've made a couple of simple tweaks to it. I've changed the meters, and I've changed the icons so that when it compiles, it'll actually include files. Because anything that's stock to the BlackBerry will not be included in the folder when you manually compile. So if you want something included in your theme, you're either going to have to have it in the theme or add it to your source folder before you go ahead and compile. So we've got this theme. Before we export it, what we want to do is find the folder, the temp folder where Theme Studio puts the files during the compiling process. Now normally they're temp files, so they get deleted once the theme is actually compiled and Theme Studio no longer needs them. And so what we're going to do is basically find that folder and take away its ability to delete them so that we can use them. Now I've got a shortcut to it on my desktop, but that's not going to help you find it. So what you're going to want to do is go to your computer, go to your C drive, users, your username, and then you're going to need the app data folder, but that's not actually going to be shown to you here. So if you just click on your address bar, just like you would in the computer, add a backslash and then type in app data, it'll show you the folder. It'll take you to it actually. Now here you want the local folder, and you want to scroll down and find your temp folder. Now this is the folder that's going to give you access to all your goodies. So what you want to do is you want to right click on this folder, click Properties, go to the Security tab, Advanced, and change permissions. Now you're going to want to do this for both administrators and for your username. We'll go ahead and hit Edit, and you're going to want to deny both of these options that say delete. We'll go ahead and do that for both. Click Apply. And then if you want, like I did, to set a shortcut, then you can right click it, send to desktop to create a shortcut. That way you don't have to go through the process of finding it every time. Saves you a little bit of time. So now we'll go in here. You'll see a bunch of different PZ folders and other stuff depending on what your computer is doing at the time. Now we want to go back. We're going to go ahead and export this theme. And as soon as it's done, we're going to go in here. You'll see here at the bottom, you'll have a PZ folder that will usually have a COD file in it. And you're going to want to go up a couple to the next one that you see. And this is going to have all your theme files in it. So real quick. Now, the tutorials you see usually say create a source folder on your desktop. It can be named anything. Create a new folder. We'll call it Bob, just for fun. So now we're going to go back to our PZ folder with all our temp files in it. Select all. Go into our source folder and paste them all in there. So then the next thing you want to do is go back into your PZ folder, back out to your temp folder, scroll down to the